All right, hey there everyone. Well, we are in the New York stream or New York session, and so far the previous trade, which was the last one, was the gold trade. It turned out quite nicely, so we're looking good. And so let's just update the stat page here. All right, so we have 16 winners and we're up journal wise 3.55 so far. All right. All right, it's good. It's good. It's great. Let's see how we're doing. Almost at TP1 on this gold trade. Yeah, we're getting there. Getting to TP1. Removed that. Nothing on euro. Okay, let's see how we're doing. So the gold trade is still up. We're looking good on gold. I think we're gonna break some highs here, hopefully. Which is good news. Okay, partials have been taken. Very good. Sound pad. Let's start the sound pad. You deserve an applause, guys. All right. The partial has been taken, which is good. Final TP is still up there. I think we can go for it. Or at least we should. What do we have here? Yeah, I'm mixing up my terminals. I have like so many terminals right now opened up. Anyway, let's dive into what's happening on the majors. All right, so gold seems like is edging higher to make a higher high right around this one. We have a buy side liquidity on gold at 39.40, 39.50 more likely, and then we have some imbalance to be filled on the hourly. This could be a good target for gold, potential good target. So we're gonna log this trade in a second. Euro is retracing lower. Nothing to be seen there. On the 4 hour we have a small fair value gap here. Structure break, definitely in a bullish trend. We might go higher. I told you guys that I'm very bullish on euro. So first fair value gap is going to be down here on the 4 hour. Let's just put this here. All right. All right. So 4 hour fair value gap right there. What else do we have? So, okay, so that's a 4 hour FVG on gold. We checked it already. Yeah, the pound. We're left with the pound. Now the pound is interesting. Made a structure break on the 5 minute here, just where we're at right now, and also here. So it could be going lower, but let's check on the 1 hour. Yeah, there's not a clear structure break here. Okay, we could be going lower with the pound. We do have a chance to go lower here. Actually, in this fair value gap, I missed my entry, but no worries. This was a possible entry. The thing is that if I put the Fib tool here, it was still not really around the optimal trade entry. So the entry is not optimal, which is not a problem, but definitely have to take it into consideration. Going lower here, next fair value gap down here, and let's check the dollar index. What is going on? Dollar index wise, nothing. Seems like on the hourly it should take out these highs, so that means the pound is definitely should have been good for a short, but I missed it. So let's see by how much I missed this entry. Around 5 pips. 5 pips. Dang it, right? 15-minute order block bullish down here. Not sure if that could be a potential target, but optimal trade entry on this one should be around here. Yeah, made the structure break technically there, here with a fair value gap. So yeah, could have been an entry right there on pound. Euro is tapping into the 4 hour FVG, so we're just waiting, not forcing anything yet, and not just yet, but not forcing anything ever. That should be the answer. Let's wait and see what's going on. For now, the gold trade is going for TP2, hopefully. So that's a good sign. Today so far we did good. Today was a good day. Now this should have been closed at break even, but it's all right. It's fine. At least the gold trade is going okay, and we are technically at break even, so no worries about that. All right, euro dollar tapped into the 4-hour fair value gap. Sorry. Maybe we can see a reversal to the upside from here. I don't know what to think of pound. So we're just waiting. We are still waiting. But this entry was good. This entry was a real good one. This happened at 14 New York Times 7:18. Let's log it, shall we? 7:18. Almost like a pre-New York, but I'm just saying New York. It was a gold buy. FVG was made on the oh yeah, it's the TP1 was made on the 1 minute. It was a correct idea. So 4.2. One more winner. That's good. Okay, euro is going lower. Next fair value gap on the hourly is down here, and this is a bullish order block on the 1 hour. So let's see if we get a reaction. One hour bullish order block down there in this range, but we have yesterday's low right there. So if it comes down here, it should definitely take out yesterday's low, especially because the 4 hour still has some fair value gap left down here. So yeah, it's gonna tank. Looks like it wants to tank. How are we doing? Still pre-New York. Still pre-New York. All right. We went through this 4 hour FVG, so that can act as a resistance from this point. We'll see. Now gold, maybe gold wants to turn. Look at that. Market maker sell model, maybe. Look at this. Could be. It can easily be a market maker sell model. Why would I say that? Because here, here, and here. This is why. This actually took out this high actually took out this one. So I would not be surprised if something would came up here and take out these almost relative equal lows right down there. I wouldn't be surprised on that. Technically we had a structure break, but I don't take this as a structure break. I wanted to see a down close candle as always. If I check on the 5 minute, well, on the 5 minute it does look good for a short. Yeah, optimal trade entry on the 5 minute. May want to go short. We'll see, I guess. But look at that. It broke structure with this down close candle. It had multiple fair value gaps here and here as well. The best target would it be to just go down and take out that low. That would be the best target for gold. I did not take the trade because I'm stupid, but that's it. Should have taken it. If I would have taken it inside this fair value gap, for example here, stop loss would be here, I would be at TP1 by now. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Miss Healthy FX, bonjour. Good to see you. How are you doing? How are you doing? Hope you're good. So, still going short here. I mean, we're not going short. Euro dollar is going short without us. And also gold. I missed my entry in this fair value gap up there. And also, if we go down, I banked long on gold London session. Oh, no, nice, very nice. I did the same too. Was this trade on London? It was, my entry was off actually. Which trade was it? It was right when I exited the stream. I took this trade on London on a fair value gap, and you know, I closed the full position here. It was good. It was a nice trade. Now I'm just looking if maybe we have a short opportunity, and my theory is basically this. Took out buy side here with this one. So if this is a market maker sell model, 1, 2, 3 relative equal lows here, it would be good for gold to go lower, but I missed my entry. Optimal trade entry would have been in this upper fair value gap right there. Actually, I took this trade on my personal account, but I did not take the trade on stream-wise and journal-wise, so I'm not going to log it because my entry was off on my personal. But I still took it. What the hell is this? Oh yeah, that's the one. Okay, never mind. Just looking at pound. Went back up and then just back down. The problem. Anyway, let's let go of the pound. The optimal trade entry was off. This is nice. So I'm just looking for gold to take out these lows, and then we'll see how it goes on from there. If it wants to turn around, so be it. Dollar index took out this high, which I was talking about in the London session. So this has been taken out. Question is, how far does it want to go? Good question, right? Look at all this. We have a nice imbalance on the 4-hour from yesterday. It might go up there. The dollar index, I mean. Just have to wait. Otherwise, not much is happening here. The 1 hour has a fair value gap down here, and we have a 1 hour bullish order block on euro. So that's what we're waiting for. And we have a 15-minute bullish order block inside of a hourly bullish order block. Wow. On pound. So we should go down sooner or later. Oh yeah, we're out from the gold trade. The second gold trade with the TP1. So the second partial was a TP only, I mean break even, so that's only a TP1 trade, which is fine. I already logged it, so we're cool. We are cool. Okay, dollar index is still going up. So technically speaking, if you want to go short on gold based on this theory, you have a fair value gap here as well. You want to take out these lows. My god, this is the daily chart. Jesus, it's looking terrible. Let me go down to 4 hour again. Yeah. Okay, so we're inside this 1 minute fair value gap here. So if someone is aiming to take out these lows again, this would be an entry right here. Look at euro. It's just dropping like a rock. Let's check this. Yeah, the hourly bullish order block is still here. Yeah, euro is going down. Let's see, pound. Oh, gold is going up. Look at that. Now we will see if gold what gold wants to do actually, because if it just bursts through here, then buy side is at 39.50 level, and maybe we can get an entry for that. If there is nothing, it should be going down here and take out these lows. What news we have? Nothing. Yeah, no news. All right. Otherwise, I mean, I don't see really anything major here. Euro is dropping. Let's check the Nasdaq just for fun. What is it doing? This is Nasdaq. All right, nothing. S&P. Nothing. I thought we were gonna see some divergence, but there is none. Very short block here on gold. Totally forgot that. Very short block. Fair value gap. What else do we need? Should sand it down a little bit. Let's see the pound. On the 15-minute, pound came back down, repriced, a little bit of imbalance right here. And on the hourly as well. And now it may want to go back and take out that long wick pin bar. And then maybe continue to reprice the monthly imbalance range. That's possible. It's very much possible, to be honest. And honestly, I think we just missed the entry. Hi, 061, 061. So that was not a structure break, but this was a structure break on pound. Not a clear one, so let's just forget that. If I go down the 5-minute, there's nothing there. 3-minute, nothing. Just have to wait, guys. Yeah, no trade on pound. I have no idea what Nasdaq wants to do. No clear direction. Hmm. As I was saying, it will be interesting to see what gold wants to do here in this level, in this model actually. It looks good for a sell. I mean, it was good for a sell. Order block, fair value gap, boom. Should go down, right? Question is, even if it goes down, how far? How far could it go? How far gold can go? On the hourly, the targets are, well, not so great. On the 4 hour, it's looking interesting. Also, it looks good on a 15 minutes as well. If it just wants to take out this sell side. But the hourly, well, the hourly chart doesn't really have too much stuff. Markets opening in 28 minutes. Sorry guys. It was just boring. Now euro. It would be great to go long. The problem is we still have an FVG on euro right here. If we zoom this one out, yeah, still a fair value gap down here. I would be scared to go long here on euro, so I won't. I'm not gonna go long here. Pound is back to that fair value gap. So maybe we will see something on gold unfolding. Let's just wait. Not too much stuff happening, so what to do here? The interesting thing is that, as you can see, gold made the market maker sell model, or made its way through this model, so that's interesting. Okay, so the market maker sell model right now, it worked out. There you go. Market maker sell model. Turned out quite nicely on gold. Is this a market maker sell model? Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it was. Who knows who would understand this? Okay, so I'm still not doing anything with the euro. Not at these levels. Dominic, good to see you, Dominic. You deserve an applause too. Thank you for being here, Dominic. Oh, so far it's looking alright. Thanks for being here, man. Well, we're having a quite exciting time, as usual, on Forex. So far today, no, not with this one. Custom period. Let me show you today's result. I'm in a slight profit, over $500, so that's good. Otherwise, nothing extra. We did some good trades today, some good winners. How are you doing, Dominic? How are you? Tell me something good. I hope everything's fine with you. I love to see some regulars on the stream. Just checking pound, by the way. I did not want to take this trade on euro because we actually did not go down to sell side completely. Yeah, I'm fine. I just went over a new concept. Wow, that's awesome. New concept. Very good. That's good to hear. You're Hong Kong? Hong Kong? Yeah, of course. Yeah. I mean, city-wise, yes, of course. Of course, man. Of course, definitely. They move big. Wow. Yeah, I guess some good movements are happening sometimes in Hong Kong session. Hong Kong session is definitely and the Hong Kong index moves quite big as well. I mean, if you're referring to the HKEX, okay, pound is stuck here, euro is stuck here as well. Gold still there. Have to wait until market open. I refer to sometimes when there are times when they begin and end session. Yes. Yes. Yes, it can move. It can move. All right, I don't see anything. Okay, look at that. Market maker sell model is continuing to show some movement. What's happening on dollar? Okay. I don't see anything here, not even on the 15-minute. If the hourly wants to go lower to take out this low, then so be it. But otherwise, nothing. Nothing there. Thank God we didn't have this kind of losing streak. I mean, look at that. As good as the silver bullet started this month, it made a huge losing streak for me. So as you can see, trading less is more in revenue. Trading less is more. So I'm gonna let go the silver bullet. I mean, I'm gonna trade the silver bullet. I'm just gonna trade maybe one silver bullet on Euro in London session, and then maybe one more in New York. So that's two in a day at maximum. All right, pound is going lower a bit. Gold is making new low. Still have some buy side liquidity here to be taken out before we get into this imbalance. Otherwise, nothing. Okay, euro is going lower. Okay, now gold has started to move. Should have stuck with the analysis here. Commodity exchange opened up, I think. AK Comex. Not much to do, by the way. Still, we have some minutes until the markets open, but otherwise, not too much. Not too much. 15-minute bullish order block here. So one here and another one up here. I think pound wants to go down there. Revisit those levels, maybe get into this fair value gap down there and then go up, who knows. For targets, these levels are good. Okay, gold is inside this fair value gap right here. Let's see if we get a reaction to take out these highs again. Almost relatively equal highs up here. Could be interesting. All right. So now we had a reaction from gold, which is good. This is kind of reaction that I was looking for on the 1 minute. I like this actually. The problem is that we're still right before the New York Open. And it's already closing down this fair value. Yeah, it's repricing this fair value gap. Okay, then the trade is off. Let's scratch that. Nothing. Nothing. All right. I really don't like that we have the fair value gap down here. Not my favorite cup of tea, but you know. And this is why. So if I would have entered a buy right there, I would be in trouble. I'm not saying it's not possible. The problem is that it still wants to go down. And we have a bullish order block here, but the question is, what is the question, right? Yeah, not entering anything there. Markets are about to open, and yeah, no entry. No entry for us right there. Alright, let's just wait. Don't forget to push a few like buttons there. Thank you very much. Okay, euro dollar made a new low. No structure break, but it did make a fair value gap, but there's no structure here. So we're just gonna leave it that. All right. Gold, nothing. Gold made a new low. Pound as well. Everything made a new low, technically. Markets are opening in less than 40 seconds. I mean futures. Let's see what it does. Relative equal highs. Nasdaq should be climbing higher. Took out this low. Structure break. This one could work out. This one can really work out quite nicely. All right, markets opened. Let's see what is gonna go down here. All right. Let's check this for a possible long entry. Limit order, that is. That is the limit order, but I think it's already going away without us. No problem. Gold went lower. Euro going lower into this hourly fair value gap, which is this dotted line down there. All right, Nasdaq going into that fair value gap on the 1 minute. All right. Yeah, US 500 as well, which is the S&P, of course. All right, going in there. Inside of a fair value gap, so this one can just easily tank from here. Yeah, Can easily do that. Let's wait and see. Scrapping this one. Just have to wait and see. What's the dollar index doing? Dollar index going higher. Right here. That's sort of an interesting, good information, I guess. Took out this line. Okay, so dollar index getting stronger. So we could be looking for some possible shorts on pound and euro. Let's see that. Pound and euro. Now the pound has got into this. What is this? Yeah. Now this is the round number of 29. So far it has respected the 29 level. What the hell is this music? It's gonna drive me crazy. Okay, euro went lower. Good. Maybe we will see some displacement from this structure break. Gold as well. Pound actually broke structure. Respected the 29 level. Yeah, the problem is that the range is very tight. So if this is going to leave us with a small fair value gap here, we can make an easy decision if we want to go or not with this trade. Maybe we can. I don't know. Maybe we can. Still need oh no, we're in the trade. I messed up. My entry should have been anyway. Never mind guys, we're in the trade. My entry should have been at least 1 pip down here, but we're in, so it is what it is. Off with 1 pip, but we're in the trade. Stop loss is over 5 pips. Small fair value gap here on pound. Unfortunately, it has been invalidated. Small order block. I don't think it's gonna hold. Yeah, it's not gonna hold. Was looking for a market reversal, to be honest, guys. Was looking for the same on gold too. Maybe I should just close it down. Yeah, should have. Should have just closed it. How far can it drop? Let's see. Yeah, it can go quite a while. Yeah, let's close it, I think. Too late. Stop loss. Yeah, let's close it. Okay, that's one loss. No big deal. This has happened at 35, which is 8:35. I'm gonna add the chart later. Pound by FVG stop loss on the 1 minute. No. Down to 3.2. Yeah, it's still going down. It's crazy. KRK Trading. How are you doing, my man? Oh, look at gold. Wow. Yeah. Gold just, you know, went for the sell side straight. No hesitation there. Just went for it. And dollar index is going higher, so I was a little bit offside, I admit that. Yeah, it's gonna go inside this fair value gap, and then we're gonna be in this 15-minute order block, this bullish one right here. So the question is it gonna hold, or are we dipping lower? That's a good question, right? So today, profit-wise, we still made around more than 0.5%, so we're good. Sorry guys, I'm here. So as pound is getting into a little bit deeper levels, especially we're getting into this 15-minute order block. Sorry, the 15-minute order block. We're still looking for some long entries inside this bullish order block. Maybe we will go down here, but we'll keep an eye on that. I'm good KRK, by the way, forgot to answer. I'm perfectly fine. Had a busy weekend, had a busy Monday, but it's Tuesday now, so I thought why not trade a little bit, right? All right. So far nothing really. We had the market maker sell model here. Went all the way down there. Should have held my trade much longer, but it is what it is. It was still alright. It was still good. This was a beautiful market maker sell model. Look at here, here, and here. This one took out buy side right here. This one, this high. So what else you need? Perfect market maker sell model. Right there for you. Right there. On gold. So question is, what is the question? This one is not a clear structure break for me. Euro dollar is going into this bullish order block here, right there, bullish order block, but we have an hourly bullish order block, so I think euro might try to gravitate towards this one. Same goes for pound. Look at pound inside the 15-minute order block. We have sell side down there. I wonder if it's going to have enough momentum to go down all the way. Still waiting of some kind of a reaction on pound and also on euro too. I'm still looking for some kind of a reaction. So far nothing. For example, this area would be very nice to take along on gold if we would have a setup, but there's no setup, so I'm not forcing it. There's a 4-hour fair value gap there. Pound. 15-minute bullish order block at the pound. And right below that we have another 15-minute bullish order block. So right here. Not the perfect one. I admit that this one is absolutely not a perfect one. This one is much better. Yeah. So that one is not that good. Actually, if anything, this would be more of a 5-minute order block. This range right here. I mean, mostly this one. So let's complete that, all right? I mean, let's just correct it. That's what I meant to say. We have the 29 level. Right there. And we are inside of a 5-minute or bullish order block. That 5-minute looks much better because this one broke structure. And we have the 15-minute right below there. I think it wants to go down there. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Definitely. I'm going to wait. I'm not entering on the order block. I would only consider entering on an order block if I would have inside the order block a nice classic ICT entry model. Of course, we need some kind of a liquidity sweep, but sometimes you don't even need a sweep. For example, I mean, of course, no, that's not true. You need liquidity, but it all depends what level of liquidity can you get. For example, let's look at the 5-minute here. Look at this right there. There's a fair value gap right there. A 5-minute fair value gap right there. Let's change it so you can see it. No, that's not it. No. Okay. So right there, that gray area is a fair value gap. Now, it's not a liquidity sweep, but maybe there was enough liquidity around this level in this fair value gap that price could take off and, you know, start to go. For example, we have the liquidity here, and, you know, it would make a structure break and boom, it can still happen. So I consider this fair value gap as a kind of liquidity that I would need, or maybe there are some orders resting inside this imbalance. So technically it is a sort of liquidity if you can find a decent fair value gap, especially this one, because it made this displacement on this candle. So I don't really need to search for a sweep below a recent low or above a recent high. Yeah, exactly. I know I saw a video about this from ICT. Which move? No, but I'm not going for it. You know, I mean, I understand what you're saying, Dominic, but it would be risky. Maybe, I don't know. You know, the problem is, because I'm not entering solely based on this fair value gap, is this right here. Because this move which started here already took out buy side here, right here. So it delivered price above this. So yes, price have retraced back down here, but the problem is that the momentum or the power or, you know, the strength of this fair value gap is much weaker, or actually the algorithm considers it, or whatever you want to call it, a much weaker orders to, I mean, chances are to go higher again are much lower because it has taken out this high. I can't explain it, I can't speak today, guys, but the thing is that we took out buy side here. Buy side has been delivered. There you go. and we took some liquidity, and now we're on the way to bring it to the sell side. Now we turned. We're delivering it back to sell side. The question is right now, is this fair value gap enough to fill those orders, or the algorithm wants to drive this lower, maybe below this low or below this low? Who knows? There are enough orders. So to make sure I'm not jumping into any trade right here, I'm not jumping into any trade right here. I want to wait for a structure shift to the upside with the fair value gap, maybe on the 1 minute, who knows? So I want to wait for a structure shift, and then I might gonna jump in. But solely based on this liquidity, for me it's risky. Sorry, on the 5 minutes. So for me it would be risky to jump on only this one. I'm not saying it can't happen. If that's your model, then go for it. In my perspective, I'm waiting. I want to wait at least. There's a let me delete this. There's a small structure here. It would, yeah, this is, you see, this is what I'm waiting for. This is exactly what I'm waiting for. Let me put this here. This is exactly what I was waiting for. Now we have a displacement. Now the thing is, it made a candle up here. And this is my problem, and it's invalid for me because it repriced this candle. So no long entry for me. So now I have to wait another at least 5 or 6 minutes to create some kind of a structure and then go up again. So no entry. Left is a POC. So that's why I'm not entering. I'm just waiting until I get a valid entry. That's it. Same goes for euro. And as for gold, we can check it lower here. Oh my god, gold, look at that. Okay, I'm entering gold. I'm entering gold. I'm entering gold. Entering gold, guys. That's it. What the hell? Where the hell is it? Damn it. Messed up. Entered gold. Entered gold. I was waiting for this and I was speaking again too much. I entered gold. Almost missed it. Maybe it will turn against me, but this was something I was looking for. Look at that. Let's analyze this. All right. Gold. Sell side liquidity has been taken right here. Market structure shift right there. Fair value gap here and here as well. Nice displacement, and we have quite some targets here. We have buy side here, here. What else do you want? Of course it can go down. Maybe it will. It is what it is. But it was, for me, this was like a valid entry. That's it. But, you know, correct me if I'm wrong. I hope I got this correct. For now, this is all I see on gold. And it almost like a bullish breaker. Maybe not a clear one, but it almost looks like a bullish breaker. So yeah. I'm not saying it can't go lower, because it can. But what do we have up here? Relative equal highs, by the way. Up there. Right around there. I know it's not perfectly equal, but almost, you know. There you go. Relative equal highs. Why shouldn't we go for it, right? And I have this EA set up to close 65% of the trade at TP1. Let's see how it turns out. I think it should be all right. Final TP is up there. Maybe I should just take a full TP2 on this one, right? But no, partials are always necessary, I think. Now it's turning against me. Now, for example, pound now is doing what it should do, but not gonna lie, a little bit risky for me to enter. We had the fair value gap here, structure break, another structure break right there. So the gold entry is based on this liquidity sweep, actually a bullish breaker here as well, and that's it. Still have some buy side liquidity that's waiting up there. Hope for the best. I know that we're in a daily premium, so that may have been a bad news for me. Yeah, I was so attached to the idea to take out that buy side. Now I think I'm offside. Could be offside on this. I really thought that we're gonna see some trending move, especially because it was looking good on the 4 hour. Look at that structure break, down up close candle and everything. So it was looking really good. Yeah, it's just hovering at one place. Maybe it would be best to just exit while we can. But you know, setup wise, it was a classic setup. So it was really looking good as a classic entry. So that's it. All right, guys, not much to do. Guys, I think I'm not going to trade more. This will be the last trade, and I'm not going to sit here and babysit this one. I'm tired, super tired, and not taking more trades. So this is going to be my last trade for today. I'm going to journal it, and I'm going to see through it on the next stream on London session. So far, we are up more than 3% for the month. It could be better. It was better, but you know, it is what it is. We still have this gold trade up. So guys, I'm super tired. Please drop a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be here on London session tomorrow, but now I just have to go and take a little rest. Okay, hopefully gold will go up. If not, then not. It's not the end of the world. Thank you guys very much for being here. I'm just super tired. Sorry everyone. Subscribe and like the stream. Thank you guys, and see you tomorrow.